Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Reyvaldy. So in this video, I will explain about front vowels, back vowels, and central vowels. So in the first one is a front vowels. The front vowel is E. For example, is a cookie. Next is E. For example, is chip. Next is a. For example, is paid. Next is a. For example, is mat. Next is for example, is attract. Next is second is the second is back vowel. The back vowel is a, and for example is about. The next is for example is lucky. The next is serve. The last central vowel. The last is central vowel. The central vowel is u, and a. For example, u is cook or put. The next is u like put. The next for example is a father. Okay guys, thanks for watching and bye bye.